All right, NQ Futures Live, Power Hour. How's everyone doing? Okay. I left some small videos on my Twitter, my X account, about this bounce here that happened. So if you're interested, go take a look. We're basically looking at the 4-hour chart. I warned everybody as we came down here to be careful with shorts, because on the 4-hour chart, especially on QQQ, we had a big bounce in this area. So, and that's what happened. But now we're starting to come down a little bit more. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. So we came down right here, bounced up, got a little bit of rejection right there, right off the 9 EMA, and now we're coming back down again. So be careful. I did take some shorts from up here on this move down. $534 in my Apex. See if I got my funded futures. Yeah, my funded futures accounts. 256 and 175. So what is that? You know, almost $500, almost $1,000 today. So I'm happy with that. But we're just watching this here. Let's go back. Let's move some of these lines right here. And let's move this over here like that. There we go. So we're down 0.4 on the day. Believe it or not, after that run yesterday, Nvidia is down about 1%, and then Microsoft had a big move at earnings, and then just kind of dumped from about 560 all the way down to 530 this morning. So those being the two biggest leaders, almost 4 trillion and almost 8 trillion in market cap between the two of them. That is probably what caused the market to drop today. Let's see here. All right. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, we came up, touched the 21 EMA, broke down, came below the 9, then back up to the 21, then back up to the 9, then down. Now we're coming back up to test the 9 again. We'll see what happens here. Look at the 1-minute chart. Yeah, you're just seeing some consolidation down here at lows of the day or near lows of the day. All right. We're getting a break again. Got this wick to deal with right there, though. It's tough taking shorts here because any of these green lines can be a bounce area. And yeah. You start taking shorts and anywhere in here we can bounce. So, and really we're not down that, it might look like it, we're not really down that much today. 0.4. Seeing a little trend line here. Let's see. Look at that here. Maybe a trend line now in 1 minute. Yeah, maybe. Let's look at the 2 minutes so I don't have so much craziness here. 2 minute. Get a little bit clearer picture. Yeah, the trend line's nice right there on the 2 minute. So, yeah. We'll see. If we come up here above the, so we're below the 50 EMA, the 21 EMA, and the 9 EMA. If we get some clean breaks above all three of those, and then above this trend line, we could see another move up. But for right now, we're just going to play it safe. Up about $1,000 on the day, and I don't really want to mess with it. Back to the 5 minute. Minute, you're looking right there. All right, just keep an eye on it. All right, coming back up. You can see here, broke the 21. Now we're kind of staying below the 9. To see anything long, we like to see a break of that trend line there. Move our way back up. We still have this little area of resistance there, where we had a touch and then another touch. So ideally, we like to see a break of this trend line and the 21 EMA, and then move up to maybe the 50, but I don't know if we'll get that. We're going to get any buyers here this afternoon. Starting to get a move back up here. See what happens. It's a nice 5-minute candle there. Coming back up, touching that trend line and the 21 right there. Scalping opportunity? Maybe. Maybe on my apex here. Go to the 5. That trend line, I don't have it on this one, but it's basically right there. That's a nice candle. That's the only thing. I don't really like going short on candles like that. But the risk reward's pretty good. We've got a couple minutes left on the candle, and I missed it. I should have took it right there. So that would have been a nice little scalp of about 10-15 points. But I missed it. So got MOC, market on close, in 6 minutes. We're definitely going to get some kind of move then. So we'll wait and see. I've already missed that first touchdown on the 21. Candle's got some strength. 30 seconds left. See, I don't want to go short when you have an engulfing candle like this. You got these moves down, touch, you got this 5-minute candle, and look, we broke it. So, yeah, we could still touch that 21 and come back down, but it's risky. 6 seconds left. Look at that. Is the candle extended? Look at that. Yeah, see, it would take that. See, I don't take that because look at that small little wick there, which means we could see that it could go either way, but not a good risk reward there. We're above the trend line, we're touching the 9, but this candle there would worry me to go short, so I want to wait. This is a perfect breakout setup. You got 1, 2, 3 candles, right? Resting candle here, and then right there, we break over it, touch the trend line, now we're coming back up. So the problem is you got this 21 EMA right there. And that's where I usually take a little scalp short, which I could have taken that one there, and that would have been a quick 15 points. But not going to do it. Yeah, that moved down nicely. It would have been about 20 points. Between the 21 and the 9, that would have been a nice little short there, but scalp, but we didn't take it. Now let's see what happens. Now we might close below the 9. Look at that. Oh, that would have been good. Watch this candle come up here. All right. Okay, we took that short right there, another 60 bucks. That was a quick little scalp. $60 on our account there, just base hits. And she's continuing to move down. And will we break this area here? At that candle, we got this wick to worry about, so just to be safe, let's set her right there. Look at that coming back down. This thing looks like it wants to go lower. Yeah, we're gonna make new lows today. Look at that candle. We had an engulfing candle here, and now we got another engulfing candle here. Well, this hasn't closed yet. We got market on close in 50 seconds. We'll have to see what that looks like. I'm going to put on some Top Step TV. We usually have some.
Order sell orders continue to grow. Last trade.
Keep an eye on market on close. Let's see what we got.
6.5, about 60 points to go from the lows. ES continued to sell off as well. 12 points from the lows, down 9 points from the lows. They're in the ES. MOC in 9 seconds. 9 seconds.
9 seconds, MOC. Up we go. There we go.
Might just paint.
Look at that.
Let's see it.
Up.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Okay, buy side. Heavy buy side. 3 billion buy side.
Got some buys coming in here.
500 mil buy side Nasdaq. 600 mil buy side Dow. Get heavy buy side ES. 3 billion for now. Numbers will change.
What will we do?
What are they doing? They're trying to come in buy soon.
I mean, where are they trying to run it down to? Like,
I'm gonna. I like this. If it comes back up and touches this trend line right before the 21 EMA, I might take one last short for the day.
I think we're gonna keep that record. What do we do for above below? What was our
See it.
Was it
Sell.
401?
Right there.
401.
401. Okay, cool.
I don't know how to get down there though.
Yep.
Might just break right here.
Hold strong buy side. But Delta still negative. Okay, the sellers are coming in. I'm short. 370.
Got some sellers coming in.
See if we can get this break now. There's some heavy volume trade right now. 370. Yes. Yep. 370 quarter. Okay. Yes, closing on the lows here.
Below the 9 here.
5 points to go. Last trade 63.71.
Okay, we're gonna turn that off. Just wanted to keep an eye on that. This is nice. Look, we're going short. Got in a little too early there. Little too early. We'll bring it down. There we go. Look at that move down. All right. 130 bucks on that one. And then let's wait for it to come back up, see if it retests, and then we go to the low of the day. 12:52, still got 8 minutes. See that come back up. She wants to go lower, but I'm not going to touch this now. I'm up $600 in my Apex, and we're up, you know, over here in my funded futures, you know, 250, 325. So it's $1,000 today. I'm not going to touch the my funded futures. Let's look back at this Apex account here. Yeah, she's going to go down to low a day, it looks like, but where do you get your entry? You enter right here, yeah, it goes down. There's some sellers there, man. Look at that. Yeah, we might just even break low a day. We just might even break low a day. We'll see what happens here. See? Now we're bouncing. This is a bounce area, so we bounced hard there earlier today, but let's see what happens. I'm staying out for now. See what we do here. We still got a minute and a half left on this candle. Let's see if we bounce back up like we did earlier today. That was was like a couple hours ago. See what happens. There's that bounce. Be careful. There's that bounce. 1254. Let's go. Look at the 1 minute chart. Look at this. Look at the 1 minute chart. Low day. What are we gonna do? Low day. What are we gonna do? 1 minute chart. Got the 9 up here. That'd be a good spot for a short right there. But look at it. She just touched it. Just almost touched low day. And then back up. Yeah. I'm just staying out, guys. We might break low day here. And if we do, it looks like she wants to go lower. And then if we do, where's our next stop? Look at that. Right. We're there right now. The next stop could be dramatic. Way down here at 23,154. Yeah, 23,154. Even here, you got a huge drop with the brakes. The question is, will it? Or are we just going to bounce a low day here? Tell you one thing, I'm not messing with it. I've gotten burned too many times. Taking shorts right here, and then it just sweeps low. You think it's going to continue, and then back up. Look at that 1 minute candle. Look at it. She's bouncing, guys. Look at the 5 minute. We're bouncing here. Maybe up here is a short opportunity. If she keeps coming, but I'm not touching it. Got 3 minutes to go, and getting some buyers here. Getting some buyers here. Look at that. Look at that. Will she keep going? Look at that. Maybe up here at the 9. Get this resistance area here, but hard to say. She's bouncing, guys. I'm not touching it. You got 2.5 minutes to go. Look at that. No thanks. Way up there, look at that. She's still going. Two minutes to go. Okay. We're in short. There we go. Another 30. $616. Another short scalp there. Base hits, my friends. Base hits. It's like 6 trades today. Let's go to the 1 minute for the close here. Look at that. Look at that. Back up. That 1 minute candle. Back up. Gotta be careful here this last minute. Got 1 minute to go. Got the 21 there, which is nice. But look at that. Gonna touch and then come back down, or we're gonna break it. 21 EMA right there. Look at it. We're gonna break it. Not touching that, baby. Look at that. Be a nice long there right at the end of the day. But maybe we go up to the 50. Or maybe we reject right there. Nice wick. Down. 616.60. I'm gonna stick with what I got here. $20 seconds to go. Look at that, move up to the 50. She's going up still. Look at that move. All right, I'm out. So, oh, sorry, look at that 1 minute candle at the end there. After hours, market is closed, and she gonna go up or down, who knows? Still below this trend line here on the 5 minute, below the 21 EMA on the 5 minute. We could come up and touch there and reject, but we are $616 on our Apex account, and we are another 400 something, so $1,000 today, and we are just gonna leave it at that, call it a day. I'm happy that all my accounts are in the green. It was a crazy day, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow.